This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Cindy Hurlbert. Welcome home to this popular twin villa floor plan on a premium waterfront home site in the premier 55-plus community of Southshore Falls. This beautiful villa sits on a dead-end street with a south-facing lanai where you will enjoy the beauty of the large pond and the wildlife it attracts. The home's kitchen features granite countertops and 42-inch wood cabinetry with plenty of storage space. A breakfast bar allows for a serving space or a seating place to enjoy your favorite beverage or a quick meal. A split floor plan ensures privacy for the master suite, which also features pond views, and a large walk-in closet offering plenty of wardrobe space. The master bath includes dual sinks and a large walk-in shower. The second bedroom allows space for guests and family without sacrificing privacy. The den has glass double doors and can be used as an office, a third bedroom, or a separate dining room. Upgrades include plantation shutters throughout, a UV system added to HVAC, all carpet has been replaced with luxury vinyl, and all the tile grout has been cleaned and sealed. A barn door was added to master bath and all the screens on the lanai are new. Some furnishings are available as a separate purchase. Southshore Falls has a 24/7 gated and guarded entrance, a 14,000 square feet clubhouse featuring a ballroom, 3 swimming pools, a hot tub/spa, a state-of-the-art fitness center, shuffleboard, bocce ball, tennis and pickle ball courts, a billiard room, a craft room, a library/card room, an internet cafe, a nature trail, and miles of sidewalks for jogging or biking on private streets, and all with no CDD fee. For more information, review the details below or contact Cindy Hurlbert at 813-455-2030.